Hello, my name is Cristian and I'm 17 años. This is all from Monday to Friday in the morning. I get at 17 a.m. That is brush my teeth, bread and have breakfast. After that is take my classes. In the afternoon, I have class and then I do my homework. Sometimes I watch TV and relax for hour. In the evenings, it's less time with my family and sometimes I study more. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Thank you.